Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soil test kits available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, lawns, or planting a food plot, we've got you covered with detailed reviews. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Lustre Leaf Products 166380 Professional Soil Test Kit. This is the premium option in our list, priced at $37.99, and it's designed for those who need a robust solution for larger or more diverse soil testing needs. It comes with components for a whopping 80 tests, 20 each for soil pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. The kit includes a sturdy plastic case for easy storage, making it ideal for those who value organization and durability. The included pH preference list for hundreds of plants is a helpful resource for tailoring your gardening efforts. In terms of design and build quality, the test kit feels professional and well-made. The instructions are detailed and beginner-friendly, but the sheer number of tests might be overwhelming for casual gardeners. Performance-wise, it's accurate, but some users report a slight learning curve in reading the results correctly. This kit is best suited for advanced gardeners or professionals who need a long-term solution for soil monitoring. The downside? It's definitely on the pricier side, and the bulky case may be unnecessary for those who only need a few tests. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for large gardens or farms, this kit is worth considering. But for casual use, you might find it a bit overkill. At number 4, we have the NewTest Soil Test Kit. Priced at $29.99, this kit offers an excellent balance between professional-level accuracy and ease of use. It provides 40 tests in total, 10 each, for pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels, making it a solid choice for medium-sized gardens or dedicated hobbyists. The standout feature here is its easy-to-read colorimetric results, which make interpreting the data straightforward. Even beginners can follow the detailed step-by-step instructions to get accurate readings. The design is compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to store and transport. The performance is reliable, with most users praising the accuracy of the results. Unlike some other kits, the NewTest Soil Test Kit focuses on simplifying the testing process without compromising data quality. It's suitable for various soil types and growing conditions, from lawns and flower beds to hydroponic setups. However, it's worth noting that this kit doesn't include custom recommendations for fertilizers or amendments, which might be a drawback for those looking to optimize their gardening efforts. Additionally, while the 40 tests are generous, it's not as extensive as the 80 test kit from Lustre Leaf. Overall, this is a great mid-range option for gardeners who want precise results with minimal hassle. Coming in at number 3, we have the Whitetail Institute Laboratory Soil Test Kit. Priced at $15.35, this kit offers tremendous value for its price, especially for those planning food plots or specialized gardens. Unlike typical at-home kits, this one comes with a mail-in option for professional lab analysis, ensuring highly accurate results. You'll receive recommendations tailored to your specific soil and plant needs by mail or email within 1 week. It's also incredibly easy to use, with everything you need included. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners. The lightweight kit is compact and easy to handle. Performance-wise, it delivers reliable results, and the professional consultation is a major bonus for those who want expert advice. This kit is perfect for hunters or those aiming to create thriving food plots for wildlife. However, the downside is that you'll need to wait for the lab results, which might not be ideal if you need immediate data. Additionally, users looking for a simple DIY kit may find the mail-in process inconvenient. Overall, if accuracy and tailored recommendations are your priorities, this kit is hard to beat at its price point. At number 2, we have the Rapidest Soil Test Kit, priced at an affordable $14.34. As the budget option on this list, it's perfect for beginners or gardeners looking for a quick and easy solution for testing soil pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. It features an innovative capsule system and patented color comparators that make it simple to use while delivering reliable results. With 20 tests included, 5 each for the 4 key parameters, you'll have enough to test multiple areas in your garden. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and carry around. It's USA made and assembled, which is a nice touch for those who prefer domestically produced products. Performance-wise, it's good for basic testing needs, though it might not match the accuracy of premium lab-based kits. The instructions are clear, and the included pH preference list for over 450 plants is a great resource for planning your garden. The downside is that it lacks the advanced features and tailored recommendations offered by some of the higher-end kits. Also, while it's great for casual use, the accuracy might not meet the needs of professional gardeners. Overall, this kit is a fantastic value for its price and ideal for hobbyists or those just starting out. Finally, at number 1, we have the My Soil Soil Test Kit. This kit stands out as the best overall option due to its combination of professional lab accuracy, tailored recommendations, and ease of use. Unlike traditional at-home kits, My Soil offers a mail-in lab analysis that measures 13 plant-available nutrient levels, including nitrogen and pH, with results delivered in 6 to 8 days. The kit also provides personalized recommendations for both organic and non-organic fertilizers, making it ideal for gardeners who want to optimize their soil amendments. The design is sleek and modern, with everything you need included in the box: a single-use soil sample kit, prepaid mailing envelope, and easy-to-follow instructions. Performance-wise, it's unmatched, offering precise data that goes beyond what DIY kits can provide. This makes it suitable for all growing scenarios, from lawns and vegetable gardens to hydroponics and ornamental landscapes. The customer support is excellent, adding even more value to the user experience. The only drawback is the price, which isn't listed here but is typically higher due to the professional lab analysis. Additionally, the wait time for results might be a concern for those who need immediate feedback. Despite these minor cons, the My Soil Soil Test Kit is the ultimate choice for gardeners looking for accuracy, customization, and expert-level insights into their soil health. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best soil test kit for your needs. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.